Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to Depop. First, open the Depop app on your mobile device and navigate to your Profile tab. From there, tap on the Selling section to access your seller tools. This is the initial gateway to managing your payment preferences and ensuring you are ready to receive payments for your sales. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to begin. Next, ensure your PayPal account is fully set up and verified. This often involves confirming your email address and linking a bank account or debit card. A verified account helps prevent transaction delays and ensures smooth transfers of your earnings. You might also consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Having everything in order on the PayPal side is crucial before proceeding with the linking process within Depop. Now, back in the Depop app within the Selling section, locate the Payments or Payment Settings option. You will see an option to connect your PayPal account. Tap this, and you will be redirected to PayPal's secure login page. Enter your PayPal credentials to authorize the connection. Once successfully linked, Depop will confirm the integration, and you should see your PayPal email address displayed, indicating a successful setup. If you encounter any issues, double-check your PayPal login details and ensure your Depop app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, simply restarting the app or your device can resolve minor glitches. For best practices, always keep your PayPal account secure with a strong, unique password. Regularly review your transaction history to monitor your sales and ensure all payments are processed correctly, providing a seamless selling experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.